In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to a Word document. This is a quick and simple process you can do mubasharatan in Microsoft Word, and it's very helpful when you need to edit text from a PDF without retyping everything. Start by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go to the File menu and choose Open. This will let you browse the files saved on your device. Next, find the PDF file you want to convert and select it. When you open a PDF in Word, a pop-up message will appear letting you know that Word will convert the PDF into an editable document. Click OK to begin the conversion. After a few moments, your PDF will open as a Word file. From here, you can edit the text just like a normal document. Keep in mind that if your PDF has complex formatting, images, or tables, the layout may look slightly different after conversion. So it's a good idea to review everything carefully. Once you're done making changes, save the file as a Word document. And that's it. You've successfully converted a PDF to Word.